Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. Fruit Markets apps inside. Today we need to update this here the API for the delivery boy order delivers. API we need to update here because we need to all logics inside. We need to specifics one order to all items need to delivers, but we need to items wise now need to changing this here the status. We need to implement here. Now we need to needs here the order item ID to change here for this internal logics, and also need to change this here table name and like here, and we need to change this here the item order ID, and also need to change this here, and also update this here this column like this sets here for the delivery boy. We need to configure shares, and we need to change this here, and make sure so we need to these orders are the all item are the delivers need to automatically orders ID or base we need to update it this here this order are the delivers like this we need to set here the conditions and implementations are the need here. Now we need to get here the another ID order ID underscore ID these parameters, and after this here the inserted this status we need to check here db.query maybe mix with here this insert status another query we need to write down here select, and we need to set this here the order detail, otherwise we need to order items like this sets here order items, and we need this here the order underscore id and status like here, and need to write down here the from where order underscore id is equal to like this years, and condition need to check this here the status set here question mark bigger than here waiting for delivery, and smaller status like this. Maybe need to check here less than out for delivery less than 4, and like this we need to getting here the results question mark. We need to set this here the value request object dot order id, and we need to check here the deliver done, so we need to like this we need to smaller. Now we need to check here the result one dot length equal to 0 means here there are no any orders for this order related to left. That's why I need to change this here the status of this columns of the this order ID again. So we need to updating here. So now need this here, this query need to paste here, and we need to check here. Need to order detail tables, and we need to change this here the order ID. Status need to set here the for. Like this, we need to set here the conditions and implementations. Now, if result affected row more than 0, means we need to print this here the helper dot relog order status update done. Like, we need to modify for this API. We need to need series, and we need to done this here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.